gravity pushes the object downwards so that it can move, and it will go, and as it goes here it gains more speed and until it's, and when a bit of smooth surface is here, and the speed slows down, the ball slows down and goes through the slope, and it will do this until the power is no more. I hope. And now as it goes down, and when it goes here, there's no force acting upon it, and the ball comes to a stop by friction. Now let me see if I can push the ball upward. Let's go. Downwards, upward and downward. It's coming down slowly, but as you see, it's coming downward. This is because gravity is stopping the ball going upward, and then it slowly pushes it down, making it harder for the ball to go up, and eventually it stops and comes down. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is click on that red button